In this video, I will show you how to do a proximity search to determine if two words are close or far from one another, or if both of those words even exist in the string. In this example, we're going to find the word program and the word Alteryx, and to do just that. So first I want to grab my formula tool, and we'll start with Alteryx first. I want to be able to find where is Alteryx and how many words is before Alteryx. So I'll create a field called words before Alteryx. The first thing I need to do is I need to find where Alteryx is in the text field. So we want to find string of text of Alteryx, and we can see that 31 characters in, we've found it. Now we want just the left of the text on the order of 31 characters, so that will give us up to the word Alteryx. And now we just need to count the words. So we've got a formula called count words of this string. So now we know that 7 words in is the word Alteryx. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we want to do the same thing for program. Words before program. Switch those out, and we know that this is 5 words in. Now we just want to take the difference, but we don't know if program will be first or Alteryx will be first. So let's go ahead and, when we take the word difference, we want to take the absolute value of the words before Alteryx minus the words before program. And since all of these fields are integer fields, we will want to change these to integers. And the one last thing we want to also think about is we actually want to subtract 1 from this as well, because if I'm finding how many words are before Alteryx and how many words are before program, one of them is including the other word, so we don't want to include that word, and that is why we want a minus 1. So when we run this, we can now see program called Alteryx. There's 1 word here. There's 1 word difference. And finally, if we want to do a condition based off of this, we can say if word difference is greater than 5, put far, otherwise put near. And when we run this, we'll have all of our designations. One last thing we haven't thought about is, what about strings that don't have one of those words? So, for example, line 5, we don't have the word Alteryx. Let's test to see what happens when we try and find the word Alteryx in that string. We can see that the output is -1. So, to get around this, let's do another condition on this condition field saying if, when you find Alteryx, and that is equal to -1, or when you find program, and that is equal to -1, then give me back word is not found. Else, just give me back the condition. And so now when I run this, we can see that we have found the exception of when we don't find both words, and when we do find both words, how far or close are they from one another. And that's how you can determine proximity of 2 words within a string.